How to remove background objects from photos on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on gallery app. Now here, so click on folder and click on picture. So if you want to remove background objects, so click on this edit icon. So after click on this edit icon, click on this four dot icon, and you will see first option is object eraser. So after click on object eraser and click on try it now out. So if you want to erase, and you will see and click on done. You will see background objects is erased. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can remove background objects from photos on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.